If you're running an online store, one-size-fits-all is a conversion killer. 71% of shoppers now expect tailored experiences, and most get frustrated when they don't get them. In this video, we'll compare the top e-commerce personalization tools so you know which platform to use for CRM-style targeting, smart search and filters, checkout upsells, and multi-channel automation. We'll keep it practical, focus on the real differentiators, and point out common trade-offs so you leave with a short list you can test. Timestamps are below, and links to free trials are in the description. So let's get started. Klaviyo is an e-commerce-first email and SMS platform that now bills itself as a B2C CRM, combining marketing, service, analytics, and an embedded customer data platform so brands can personalize at scale without stitching together multiple tools. It pulls your store, website, and ad data into unified customer profiles and keeps a running timeline of events you can target, from product views and carts to purchases and support interactions. This foundation is what powers precise segments, dynamic content, and measurement in one place. Getting started is straightforward because Klaviyo ships native integrations for major carts and tools and exposes flexible APIs when you need custom data. Your e-commerce integration streams catalog, order, and event data, and you can add any extra behaviors with the Events and Profiles APIs to enrich targeting or templates. The result is a clean flow of real-time signals that drive automations and personalization without manual imports. Automation lives in flows, a visual builder where you connect triggers like checkout started, fulfilled order, or back in stock, then mix email, SMS, push, conditions, and delays inside one journey. You can start from a library of pre-built e-commerce flows and then split paths by behavior, value, or predicted outcomes, while dynamic blocks let each message render different content per person. This is how a single flow can send a plain reminder to one customer and a recommended bundle to another without maintaining separate versions. Personalization starts with segmentation that stays in sync across channels. You can build dynamic audiences using purchase history, browsing, engagement, geography, device, and custom properties, then reuse those segments to target forms, trigger flows, tailor on-site experiences, and sync paid audiences to Meta and Google for lookalikes, retargeting, and exclusions. That keeps your email, SMS, and ads aligned as customers move through the lifecycle. Klaviyo's predictive analytics add another layer. Each profile can include predicted lifetime value, churn risk, and an expected next order date, so you can prioritize high-value prospects, save at-risk buyers, and time replenishment nudges and win-backs automatically. These predictions are native, documented, and usable directly inside segments, flows, and templates, so they become practical targeting inputs rather than a separate dashboard. Product discovery is baked in through product feeds and recommendation blocks that pull from your catalog and behavioral data to render items each person is likely to buy. You can drop these blocks into newsletters and automations and pair them with show or hide logic, so different SKUs, benefits, or offers appear based on properties like past purchases, location, or loyalty tier. This keeps content fresh and relevant without maintaining many variants of the same email. Lifecycle touchpoints go beyond campaigns. Back in stock is a native workflow across Shopify, BigCommerce, Adobe Commerce, Shopware, and custom catalog feeds, with forms for eligible platforms and API for custom feeds. Customers subscribe when items are out. Klaviyo holds them until inventory updates, then delivers alerts by email or SMS using the right product data at send time. It is a simple way to recover demand you already created. List growth and zero-party data collection come from Klaviyo's sign-up forms, which include targeting and behavior controls for when and to whom a form appears. You can personalize fields, collect consent for email and SMS, and route new subscribers straight into the right segments and flows. For teams in the UK and other regulated markets, Klaviyo provides clear guidance and platform controls for SMS compliance, quiet hours, sender identities, and short code requirements, which matters if you plan to scale texting. Klaviyo's customer profile system and data platform hold the pieces together. Profiles merge identifiers across devices, backfill anonymous activity once someone opts in, and keep attributes and events ready for activation. That data is then available to message on email, SMS, push, and to export to ad platforms with audience sync, so every touch can reflect what you know in real time rather than yesterday's list. There are helpful extras that round out personalization. Subject line and content assistance can draft on-brand copy, generate layouts, and speed creative iteration, while send time optimization and predictive signals help you reach people when they are most likely to act. Klaviyo also extends personalization to social proof and reviews. Brands on Shopify can collect and display product reviews natively and then trigger follow-ups or reward reviewers from the same data layer, tightening the loop between purchase, feedback, and the next personalized message. If you want a single platform that unifies your data, lets you personalize across email, SMS, push, and ads, and gives you predictive tools to focus effort where it will pay off, Klaviyo is a strong fit for e-commerce. It balances power and usability, plugs into the stacks most shops already run, and keeps the feedback loop tight so you can learn, test, and scale what works with less guesswork. Pricing is transparent on the public page. The plans start at $20 per month and scale with email volume and SMS credits, with combined plans for brands that want both channels in one bill. If you want to give it a try, Klaviyo offers our audience a trial. You can find the link below this video in the description. 2. Searchanise. Searchanise is a site search, filtering, and merchandising app for e-commerce that replaces the default search box with an instant predictive experience and adds rich filters and on-page controls so shoppers find the right products fast. It runs on Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and other platforms, and installs as a lightweight app with its own indexing service that pulls products, collections, and even content like pages and blog posts into a hosted search index. Once installed, it begins indexing your catalog and powers live search and results pages without you writing code. Results adapt to each shopper using behavior signals like views, adds to cart, and purchases, so suggestions feel personal rather than generic. Voice search makes finding items quick and hands-free, which is great for mobile. A suggestions dictionary helps tune predictions so common phrases and brand terms always resolve to the most relevant results. Filters are where the upgrade is most obvious. Instead of a hard cap on total filters and filter values, Searchanise gives you room to grow, even when results run past 100,000 products. Shoppers can refine by almost anything you track, and stores with multiple inventory locations can add location filters for local pickup or regional availability. Slider filters let customers drag to choose ranges for price, size, or any numeric metafield, provided those metafields are set up correctly. Faceted filtering works directly on collection pages even for very large collections, and you can enable it by redirecting collection links or by embedding HTML in your theme. Filter trees let you tailor different filter sets per collection, so each category shows the most useful facets. Merchandising gets an upgrade too. Instead of boosting one product at a time with a single rule, you can promote entire groups using collections or tags and stack multiple ranking rules that trigger on keywords, match types, or priorities. Banners and labels draw the eye to sales, new arrivals, and seasonal pushes right inside results. Analytics move from nice to know to what to do. Beyond top queries and zero result terms, you can see which filters and values shoppers actually use, including the combinations they pick most often, like color plus size or brand plus price. Reports tie searches to purchases so you know which keywords convert and which products deserve more visibility. Zero result reporting shows gaps you can fix with better synonyms or merchandising, and that saves sessions that would otherwise dead end. The proof points are strong. Searchanise is trusted by thousands of stores, generates significant monthly sales influence, and holds a deep bench of positive reviews and case studies from recognizable brands. For a team that has outgrown Shopify's free app and wants a professional search layer, the benefits are clear. If this sounds like the right solution for you, below this video is a link to Searchanise free plan. 3. ExpertSender. ExpertSender is a multi-channel marketing and personalization platform built for e-commerce. It combines a customer data platform, an email and SMS engine, web push, and on-site personalization, so you can use real store behavior to trigger the right message in the right place. You connect your store through native plugins for Shopify, Adobe Commerce, PrestaShop, or WooCommerce, or you drop in a tracking script and use the API when you need something custom. Once connected, it starts collecting events like product views, carts, and orders and ties them to unified customer profiles you can segment and activate across channels. Personalization is a core theme. The platform includes an AI recommendation engine that reads your product feed and each shopper's browsing and purchase history to suggest items they are most likely to buy. You can place those recommendations inside emails, on product pages, in the cart, on the homepage, or in pop-ups and banners, so discovery feels tailored at every step. ExpertSender's own materials frame this as a direct lever for higher conversion, order value, and retention because the suggestions update in real time as behavior changes. Website personalization goes beyond product tiles. You can swap in targeted content blocks, display recommendation frames in key zones, and launch pop-ups that change by segment, device, or traffic source. This gives you a simple way to upsell, cross-sell, or highlight the most relevant benefits without a redesign. When you want to reach people off-site, the same profiles can receive email and SMS built with dynamic content, and you can follow up with web push that reacts instantly to behavior. Under the hood, the customer data platform is what keeps targeting sharp. You get visual dashboards, RFM models, and a flexible segment builder so you can group customers by life cycle and value, rather than only by basic demographics. Segments can filter by consent state, recency, frequency, monetary value, and order metrics, then sync straight into campaigns or on-site experiences with a click. The platform also handles common e-commerce moments with purpose-built automations. Abandoned cart series can fire across email, SMS, and web push. Price drop alerts track products a shopper viewed and nudge them when the price falls. These ready-made plays help you recover demand you already created, and they run on the same data you use for recommendations and segments, which keeps the experience consistent. If you want one platform that brings recommendations, on-site personalization, lifecycle segments, and multi-channel messaging into a single loop, ExpertSender is a solid fit for e-commerce. It helps you learn who each shopper is, tailor what they see and receive, and measure the impact in one place so you can turn more of the same traffic into repeat customers. 4. Rebuy. Rebuy is a Shopify native personalization platform that stitches together AI recommendations, on-site merchandising, smart cart experiences, search and collections, checkout extensions, and post-purchase offers so a store can tailor every step of the journey without juggling multiple apps. Its Shopify app listing highlights personalized product discovery, checkout customizations, and a smart cart experience, while the product catalog on the Rebuy site shows the same end-to-end focus on discovery, conversion, and AOV. It works by dropping into your Shopify stack and letting a rules engine and data sources drive what each shopper sees in real time. You can combine Rebuy's proprietary AI with your own inputs, then target experiences based on behavior, cart context, and catalog data. The platform positions installation as quick and points to a blend of AI endpoints and rule-based logic for precise control when you need it. The Smart Cart is the signature module and replaces a static cart with a slide-out experience that proposes relevant items, nudges toward free shipping thresholds, and supports subscription upsells. Merchants can enable buy more, save more tiers, dynamic discounts, timers, and one-click upsells, and can tune layout and behavior with no-code or low-code settings. Recent updates add a drag-and-drop cart editor, double-column layouts, progress bars built on Shopify functions, and A/B testing for Smart Cart so you can validate what actually lifts AOV. Help docs frame Smart Cart as a faster path to higher conversion and AOV than Shopify's default cart. Rebuy also ships an AI site search product that turns the search bar into a merchandising surface. Smart Search personalizes results and weaves recommendations into query responses, supports keyword redirects for zero result terms, and can show star ratings in quick view or on the results page. The product page stresses configurability out of the box or through APIs, while Rebuy's overview pages tie Smart Search and Smart Collections together to let teams shape discovery with scheduling and analytics. Testing and orchestration are built in. Smart Flows let you create site-based or link-based journeys that change what someone sees after a click or an interaction. And the A/B testing suite allows you to pit layouts, rules, and recommendation strategies against each other with reporting that focuses on e-commerce outcomes. Personalization continues at checkout and after the order. Checkout extensions let Shopify Plus brands add timely, targeted offers inside checkout, and post-purchase flows use AI or custom rules to present upsells or downsells on the confirmation step with dynamic discounts and limited-time urgency baked in. The tool lets you capture incremental revenue without disrupting the original order and adjust the offer based on the shopper's response. For merchandising, Rebuy provides drop-in widgets and a bundle builder that can assemble multi-step bundles without code and can power dynamic bundles driven by AI. The merchandising product pages emphasize self-learning algorithms and a large data network, so recommendations, cross-sells, and uplift tactics adapt to demand rather than sit on fixed rules. Rebuy plugs into the rest of your stack so personalization can follow shoppers off-site and borrow social proof. Klaviyo integration lets you drop Rebuy-powered recommendations into email and SMS flows, while review and subscription partners like Yotpo and Okendo feed ratings and switch to subscription prompts into your on-site offers and Smart Cart apps. Pricing is packaged so you can buy a la carte or as a platform, with order-based scaling, a published starts at entry point, and a free trial to get set up and prove lift. The pricing page also references an ROI guarantee, which ties subscription costs to incremental revenue driven by the tooling. If this sounds like the right solution for your e-commerce business, Rebuy offers our audience a free trial. 5. Justuno. Justuno is an on-site personalization and recommendation platform built for e-commerce teams that want more from the humble pop-up and banner layer of their store. It's a full website marketing automation hub that helps brands grow lists and sales through templates, workflow automation, and visitor intelligence. Getting started is simple because you can paste a small script or install the native app on storefronts such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or Magento, and the service immediately begins collecting behavioral and first-party data. Once live, it tracks page views, clicks, cart events, and past orders and stores them as properties inside a mini CRM so campaigns can react in real time. Most merchants meet Justuno through its drag-and-drop design studio, where you build responsive pop-ups, banners, embedded messages, quizzes, and spin-to-win games that match your brand without code. Templates, timers, and gamification widgets come baked in, and the editor lets you target messages based on UTM parameters, geolocation, traffic source, or funnel stage. Email and SMS forms can even verify addresses and phone numbers in real time so your lists stay clean from bots and typos. For product discovery, the platform offers Commerce AI, an engine that watches browsing and purchase behavior and surfaces items through upsell, cross-sell, recently viewed, and most purchased logic. You decide where the widgets appear, inside the cart, on a product page, or in a pop-up, and the system keeps learning, which helps lift average order value and conversion. Algorithms can be combined with granular filters based on product attributes, so recommendations feel curated rather than generic. All of this relies on robust segmentation tools that act like a lightweight CRM, giving you default and custom properties, individual visitor profiles, and limitless filter combinations. You can trigger a message only for first-time mobile visitors, or only for loyal customers carrying a high-intent cart. And the support docs describe the rule builder as offering more targeting possibilities than you will ever need. Built-in A/B testing lets you pit traits, offers, or placements against each other until data names a winner. Instead of juggling individual pop-ups, you can drop them into a visual workflow builder that maps the on-site journey and fires messages, recommendations, or banners at just the right moment. That canvas also makes it easy to launch exit offers, browse abandonment nudges, or progressive quizzes that store answers as zero-party data, all while holding visitor context from first visit to repeat purchase. Data never stays siloed because Justuno syncs with major e-commerce platforms plus a wide range of tech partners, including Klaviyo, MailChimp, Marketo, and ad networks through Audience Sync for smooth retargeting. Shopify merchants even get a two-way sync, so discount code usage or customer tags can instantly update segments and trigger fresh messaging. A real-time analytics dashboard tracks impressions, conversions, revenue contribution, and split test results, letting you pause a weak promotion or double down on a strong one without waiting for weekly reports. User reviews applaud the intuitive editor, helpful support team, and the measurable lift in email capture and sales that follows a proper setup. Shopify store owners echo that sentiment, calling out fast integration and a noticeable drop in cart abandonment. Some reviewers note that deeper configuration can feel overwhelming and that costs rise with traffic, so teams should budget time or consider the managed services option. If your store has outgrown basic pop-ups and you crave the ability to personalize every touch without handing the keys to a developer, Justuno is worth a spin. Smaller shops will appreciate the ready-made templates. Growth stage brands will lean on Commerce AI, workflow automation, and high-resolution segments to squeeze more revenue from the same traffic, and enterprise teams can count on features like master billing, headless support, and dedicated services to scale alongside them. Paid plans start at $40 per month and scale with visitor volume. If this sounds like the right solution for you, below this video is a link to Justuno's free plan for stores with very light traffic, along with a full-featured 14-day free trial to all pricing plans. AiTrillion is an all-in-one marketing platform built for Shopify merchants. The platform offers 11 marketing modules including email and SMS automation, loyalty program, recurring membership, personalized product recommendations, affiliate marketing, and more. The product recommendation engine is built to help e-commerce stores drive more sales by automatically showing the right products to the right people at the right time. The AI recommendation engine watches browsing history and order patterns, then surfaces related or frequently bought together items in widgets that can sit on product pages, carts, or pop-ups, driving average order value without manual merchandising. You can see all your active widgets, check which ones are running, and monitor how much revenue they're generating for your store. You can use AiTrillion's theme app block system to place it directly into your Shopify theme. If your theme doesn't support app blocks, there's a simple code snippet you can copy and paste wherever you'd like the widget to display on your product page. AiTrillion also supports personalized product recommendations that work for both logged in and logged out users. You can customize the settings, save your changes, and drop the personalized product blocks wherever you want them to appear on your site. These blocks are designed to adapt to your site's layout and branding. You can control global layout settings including colors, heading fonts, and sizes. There's also a product card customization feature where you can decide how the product images are displayed, whether they appear square, portrait, or adapt to the original image shape. You can adjust spacing, hide out-of-stock items, or even exclude specific products using tags. For instance, if you don't want products with a certain tag to appear in your recommendation feed, you just enter the tag and AiTrillion will automatically filter them out. You can also use these recommendation blocks in pop-ups. AiTrillion offers a variety of pre-designed pop-up templates focused on promotions like great deals, try these, or recommended for you. The loyalty engine lets a store award points for actions such as purchases, social follows, birthdays, or referrals, and then redeem those points for perks like discounts, free shipping, or exclusive access, with optional tiers that unlock bigger rewards for high-value shoppers. A built-in affiliate and referral center extends that concept by issuing unique links and tracking commissions so fans can bring in new traffic while the merchant monitors performance from the same place. The email and SMS studio comes with drag-and-drop templates, conditional logic, and segmentation rules, so you can send a welcome drip to first-time visitors or a back-in-stock text to high-intent shoppers, all A/B testable inside the workflow builder. Web push notifications and smart pop-ups run on the same trigger system, making it easy to launch exit intent coupons, holiday banners, or product upsells that adjust to device type and traffic source. For social proof, the reviews module automatically emails buyers post-purchase, collects text or photo feedback, and displays it in carousels, sliders, or rich snippets that feed Google Shopping, which helps lift click-through and trust. All channels roll up into real-time analytics that map engagement, revenue contribution, and automation ROI so you can pause underperforming flows or double down on winners without waiting for weekly reports. 7. OptinMonster. OptinMonster is an on-site conversion and personalization platform that helps an online store turn more visitors into subscribers and customers by showing the right message at the right moment. It works with popular commerce stacks like Shopify and WooCommerce, and the setup is straightforward using the Shopify app or a small embed that lets you build and publish campaigns from a drag-and-drop editor without code. From there, you connect your email or CRM, track conversions, and run quick A/B tests so you can improve results over time. Personalization is where the tool earns its keep. OptinMonster makes it easy to create product recommendation pop-ups designed to show relevant product suggestions while visitors are browsing related content on your site, making it more likely they'll add extra items to their cart. You can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates in the library or start from scratch with a blank canvas. You can also personalize copy with smart tags, so a pop-up greets a visitor by name, references today's date, or adapts to a known attribute. And you can tailor experiences by geolocation, device, and referrer, so a shopper from a specific country on mobile sees the most relevant shipping promise or incentive. If you need deeper control, rules can target by JavaScript variables, or even the presence of specific HTML elements on the page, which helps teams align messages with the exact product or UI state a user is seeing. For e-commerce stores, there are dedicated rules that respond to shopping behavior and cart context. When you connect OptinMonster to Shopify or other platforms, you can show offers based on products viewed or added, cart subtotal or total, and whether the shopper is a first-time or returning customer. That makes it simple to float a gentle nudge for low cart values, hold back discounts for high-intent sessions, or highlight accessories after a category browse, all without custom development. On-site retargeting and follow-ups extend that logic across visits. The platform remembers prior interactions and can swap what a returning visitor sees, so someone who dismissed a generic newsletter pop-up yesterday might get a product-specific incentive or educational message today. This approach also works mid-session, letting you change the conversation after a shopper engages with one campaign by chaining the next step automatically. If you want to make list building feel fun, OptinMonster includes a gamified coupon wheel that awards prizes once someone opts in. Stores use it for first-order discounts or mystery offers because it captures attention, drives email and SMS growth, and turns more of that traffic into purchases without heavy design work. All of this sits on a builder that supports the usual campaign types like pop-ups, floating bars, slide-ins, and full-screen welcome mats, plus an analytics layer and split testing so marketers can ship ideas quickly and let data decide what stays. For an e-commerce team, the practical benefits are clear. You reduce cart abandonment with exit intent and cart-aware rules. You increase average order value with timely cross-sells and offers that match what is in the basket. You grow your owned audience with engaging opt-ins that segment subscribers from day one. 8. Omnisend. Omnisend is an e-commerce first email and SMS platform that pulls your store data into one place so you can send smarter messages across email, text, web push, and even ad audiences. It connects natively to Shopify and other carts and is built to run automated flows that turn browsers into buyers and one-time buyers into repeat customers. Getting started is straightforward. You add the app on Shopify or drop a small embed, hook up your store, and you can launch pre-built workflows in minutes. Welcome, product browse, cart abandonment, order updates, and post-purchase are ready to go, and you can mix email and SMS inside the same journey. The editor is drag and drop, and you can split paths, add delays, and test variants without code. A /B testing is available for campaigns, so you can let results pick the winner before sending at scale. Forms are included too, with pop-ups, spin to win, and landing pages that feed new subscribers straight into the right automation. Personalization starts with segmentation that understands shopping behavior. You can build audiences using purchase history, product and category activity, engagement, location, device, and more. Then aim messages and offers at each group. Product discovery is handled inside the builder. A product recommender block uses your order and browsing data to insert items each person is most likely to buy, and you can drop it into newsletters or automations to drive cross-sell and repeat sales. Simple content blocks like product pickers, unique coupon codes, and conditional sections round it out so messages stay relevant. Channels go beyond the inbox. You can combine email with SMS in the same flow and use web push for quick nudges like price drops or flash sales. When you want to reach shoppers offsite, Audience Sync pipes your segments into Facebook Custom Audiences and Google Customer Match, so ads mirror your email targeting and update as people move between segments. The platform includes a reviews module for Shopify, so you can automatically collect product feedback after purchase and showcase it on your storefront, which adds social proof to the personalized offers you send. Reporting ties it all together. Cross-channel dashboards show sales, deliverability, and engagement by email, SMS, and push, and you can break down performance by audience segment or lifecycle stage to see where the money is coming from. Sales reports offer adjustable attribution windows, and recent upgrades make it easier to compare channels and find the tactics worth scaling. If you want a single platform that pairs e-commerce savvy segmentation with automation, recommendations, and ad audience sync, Omnisend is a strong fit. It keeps the day-to-day work simple, gives you the levers to personalize at scale, and lets you prove impact with clean cross-channel reporting, all without building a custom stack. Below this video is a link to Omnisend free trial with no credit card required. 9. Omniconvert. Omniconvert is a conversion and personalization suite built around two pillars. Explore handles experiments, on-site personalization, overlays, and surveys. Reveal turns your order history into RFM-based customer intelligence, so you can target and retain the right shoppers. Together, they give you one place to test ideas, tailor the experience, and sync audiences to your marketing tools. Personalization is the headline. Explore's engine lets you target experiences with more than 40 data points and blend real-time context with what you already know. You can key off on-page variables like cart total or product name, custom attributes such as lifetime value, and real-time signals like device, location, language, browser, or even local weather. That mix makes it simple to greet a high-value returning customer with a loyalty perk, show country-specific shipping copy, or dial up urgency on mobile during a weekend sale. You are not limited to static content. Dynamic text replacement pulls values right from the page or visitor profile, so a banner, pop-up, or block of copy can adapt on the fly without code. Overlays cover common triggers like onload, on-scroll, on-click, and exit intent, and there is a large template library if you want to start fast. Teams use this to recover abandoning carts, capture email with a perk that matches traffic source, or nudge larger baskets with a free shipping threshold. Segmentation is where Explore leans in. You can combine geolocation, traffic source, and UTM, behavior like time on site or viewed products, conversions, and your own custom variables into precise audiences. If you run out of point-and-click options, you can even segment with JavaScript callbacks or data layer attributes, which is handy on modern storefronts. Reveal takes personalization a step further by reading your order data and grouping customers with RFM segmentation, which means you get live cohorts like VIPs, loyal regulars, bargain hunters, dormants, or at-risk buyers. Once you have the right segments, Reveal's Audience Builder syncs them to email and ads. You can send lifecycle flows in Klaviyo that match a customer's RFM group. Build lookalikes of your best buyers on Meta or Google, and exclude low-value or recent purchasers to keep acquisition costs in check. If you want to act in the moment, you can set alerts when a high-value customer leaves a low NPS so support can follow up before the relationship slips.